Yeah.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, it's not crowded now. Oh my gosh, it's automatic. Automatic Christmas song.
These dim lights? What do they mean by that?
Hey, don't turn on your light. It's so bright.
Donation here?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Oh man, we got a whole carload.
We sure do.
Yeah, we're here, Dion, Michael.
Yeah, I bet you need a helping hand with the electric bill. Especially since the transmission cost went up, huh?
There you go.
There.
Oh, gee, thank you.
Wow, that's a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. Uh-huh. Which way do we go?
Just follow the
Straight?
road, babe. Slow down, huh? Don't go fast.
Why does the guy so long?
Babe, dim your light, please. Turn it off. Turn off your light. There you go. Alright, Michael, Dion. We're here.
We're here.
Baby, slow down because
Oh.
no one's following. We're just gonna enjoy the view. Just slow down.
Go see the
We're not in a hurry. Nobody's behind us. It's not crowded.
It's on a
We'll go left.
I saw a
Look
car.
at that, pretty cool.
There's our arrow, okay?
It's a car.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's two cars.
Oh yeah, enjoy the view, boys. Oh, there's cars.
This.
Wow. Look at it all. Neat, huh?
So neat.
Yeah, there's a fire truck.
Oh, yeah. Look at the fire truck.
Fire truck. Yes. It's on the fire.
Christmas lights, Dion, Michael.
They got a kick out of it. This is about the electric bill.
Babe, they don't have problem for electric bill. It's government, babe. No worries.
Look. Reindeer, buddy.
Reindeer.
Go see the reindeer.
Oh, it's all donation. Jalapenos, Peru. The businesses put all the different.
Yep. Government.
That's neat, babe. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, nice.
It's your first time to come
Nativity
here,
scene.
me. It's been a lot.
Nativity
3
scene.
times.
Nice. Steak and shake. Burger and a snowman.
Snowman.
In a church.
That's it. Yeah.
Dion, copy what you're saying, babe.
Yeah, they didn't do stuff like this out where I'm at.
Oh, your first time here, babe?
Yeah.
Me, like third
I've heard about this.
Illinois map.
Horses, buddy. Yeah, yep, you're right. Illinois map.
Well, we gotta see the reindeer on the train.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Happy
on the
birthday,
train.
Jesus. That's an oil well. Hanukkah thing.
What was the reindeer?
Reindeer.
Crane, buddy, look. The crane.
Where's the
Parking
plane?
lights on good. There's a tractor, buddy.
Tractor.
Look.
Yeah.
Or is it a train? It's a train. It's not really a
Train.
train. Train.
Oh, you're looking for a train. All businesses is in here. You see that, babe?
Mhm. Big giant
What's
ornament.
these?
Look at that. That's
Manhattan
nice.
Elementary School.
So they got all the businesses in the South County area to donate and put these up, huh? That's
Yeah.
really nice.
No problem for electric.
I see the reindeer on the train.
What, Micah?
I go see the reindeer in the train. That's a train.
Oh, look at that. They got Santa on a motorcycle.
Yeah.
What in the world?
There's
Huh?
a helicopter.
Santa playing a guitar.
See
Dion,
that?
look. Dion, look. Guitar. See?
Santa Claus playing.
And drums, Michael. Look. OSF Healthcare. Helicopter. Look at that. That's cool.
OSF?
See the helicopter?
Ah, that's OSF.
Eyes on the helicopter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
OSF. Oh yeah, the OSF donated and then that's their
Wow.
donation.
Yep.
Helicopter.
That's pretty cool. Look at that one.
That's from
4x4,
Prescott
Yeah.
Brothers. Mendota.
Look how bright this one is, babe.
So what's this from? Coldwell Bunker.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bank. That's
Like a
from
big
the
bright
bank.
house. And what is this? It's a knight with a candy cane. Yep. Knight and what does it look like? A knight in shining armor, huh? Who Elementary? That must be their mascot. That's what I'm guessing.
Oh yeah.
Look at a cardinal. See? Bird. Dump truck, the
I said dump truck.
You see dump truck? Yeah, Dion.
church.
Dion, see dump
See
truck.
dump truck.
That's
Celebrate
right.
Jesus. That's good. We still got people that know the true meaning of Christmas.
Jesus is the season.
Is the reason or season?
Reasons?
Is the reason. Reindeer, Michael.
A reindeer.
It's a horse.
Oh, it's a horse.
Actually, it's a horse. Why
A
is
unicorn.
Santa-
It's a unicorn. Look.
It's unicorn.
Yeah.
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn.
There's a crane in there. Crane.
Where is a crane?
There. On the other side.
Over here?
Away.
Yeah. Far away. We're gonna stop over there in the reindeer later in the parking lot. That's Michael's waiting.
Cool.
Yes, what are we done?
Look at that, like a hanger.
Hanger.
They got a lot of different cool stuff. And look at this. Is that Santa Claus in a convertible? Cute.
I said seahorse.
We got a
You see
turtle.
seahorse?
Where?
Then Dion said, I see seahorse.
Where? Where's the seahorse? I don't see it.
Seahorse.
I'm
Seahorse.
smelling it. Caesars?
Seahorse.
It's pretty neat they come up with all these designs. Boy.
Yeah, donation.
And it's looked like they don't just buy it like this. A lot of them, maybe they buy the pre-packaged, you know, figures, but some of them actually look like they made them, you know.
Yeah, it looks like they made it.
A lot of the stuff looks like they just made it up.
Yeah, and put it in here display.
That's pretty cool. Look at these reindeer. We even got Rudolph with the red nose. Huh?
School bus.
School bus.
I said
Actually, some pretty good
Do you
design
see
on the,
school bus?
the reindeer, babe.
bus.
Cool.
Do you see school bus, Dion?
School bus? Where? I don't know where he's seeing all this stuff.
Where's
Must be
school
looking
bus,
way
Dion?
somewhere else. It's a pickup truck with a Christmas tree in it. Now that is neat. I like that. And the tires are spinning. Look. The way they make them go around. That is cool. It's like a park or something. They call it
Rotary Park.
Rotary Park. Okay. Even the trades got their stuff. Looks like an eagle there.
That's eagle, that's eagle.
That's an eagle? Okay.
That's eagle.
Ken talks a lot now.
That's
But he copies a lot
Whatever
too,
you
still
say,
too,
babe.
But he's still spontaneous.
Babe, it started with spontaneous. Before you gonna talk, you start
Now he's-
spontaneous first.
Yeah, Matthew, same way, dude.
At least trying.
He's doing good.
Here's your favorite, Michael. You didn't forget the reindeer.
This one?
I said,
Yeah, the reindeer.
yeah, we're gonna do that first. And then we're gonna do the train. Hey, there's a penguin with an umbrella. Hey, there's another train again. I said,
That's a
train.
snowman with the umbrella. See the carrot for his nose?
Umbrella.
And we got horses. Yep,
What?
horses over there, buddy.
Uh,
Look at that train, Michael. See it, Dion?
we got it on the
The wheels going. Train.
I said train.
What is that? Like
You see train, dear?
Yes. Tomorrow we gotta do that. Do that.
two people on a fire. HHS. Hall High School.
That's school bus. That's school bus. That's a school bus.
Oh, there's a car.
There's another car.
Oh, holy night.
Another
Nice
one.
church.
Another one.
Oh, look at this. A fancy car. Looked like a possible Challenger.
I want to pee.
Not quite sure. It's a hot rodder, though.
Wait, Michael.
Mom, I want to pee. Well, wait for the teacher. You know,
Place for him to go pee. It's a little dog with the tail wagging.
If you're gonna see a parking lot, we're gonna start there.
And there's some more reindeer.
There's a school bus.